Okay, so this is Macro Reflect. Okay, this is a free program. It has no malware, no anything. It's straightforward. We are gonna download this, and you just go here. I show you in the free part, and just clicking here and continue, and I will download it here. You close it, and you went to this download. There it goes. And you open it. I'm gonna show you how to download this, okay? How to install this. I'm sorry, okay? So we are gonna download it, and then we're gonna install this, okay? So I'm gonna stop and just show you what it needs, okay? So I'm gonna be back, okay? Okay, here we're gonna click next. And then next again, and we click here, then we go right here, and we click right here, okay? Then we click next, and we untick this unless you want to register, then, but I don't, so I just click here. I've been using this program for a long time, so I just wanted to assure you how it's done. And when I come back and it's installed, I'm gonna show you how to use it, okay? So I'll be back. Okay, that was fast. So here we go, okay? So here we're gonna clone this, okay? So we're gonna put this right here. So we're not gonna touch this because this is my second hard drive where I have all my files here, okay? So do not touch this right here. Just clicking here, and this is gonna move down here, okay? Watch. See right here? Now in here, you're just gonna click. This is straightforward, okay? There is no mistakes, no nothing. You just click right here, and this is it, okay? Now you're gonna click this right here, and this is gonna be your whole computer, okay? It's gonna be clone, it's gonna be image, whatever you want to call it. Everything that's in your computer is gonna be cloned, okay? I already have an external hard drive there. Is this one right here? This is where I'm gonna store my copy on my image or cloning or whatever you want to call it. So we just click in there, and it's right here, okay? Today is 17. Yeah, it's still the 17. So that after that, all you have to you can click finish, and that's it. It's gonna start cloning it until it's finished. But let's click next, and don't touch nothing here, and next. And this is what it's gonna clone, okay? These three drives that I show you first, okay? And this is the main one, 32 gigabytes, okay? Because we only clone the C drive, remember, okay? C drive. So now we click finish, we click okay, and maybe another warning, and maybe not. So when it's finished, when it's almost finished, I will come back and show you how long it takes, okay? So I'll be back. There we go. 7 minutes right there. Okay, so remember, you do this after you install Windows in your computer, and you do this, okay? Now let me get my USB, because we need to do a media creation. Yeah, create a rescue media. So let me get my USB, okay? So I got my USB here. I'm gonna plug it in, and we're gonna do that. Okay. So we're gonna go back here. We say all the tasks right here, and it says create rescue media. This is very simple. All you have to find is your USB. Make sure that you pick the right one, and just click in here, build, and that's it. Click here, and this is gonna do it automatically. And when you're done, well, after I'm done, I'm gonna use the same rescue media to reboot it and restore the backup we just made. Okay, so remember, you do this after you install Windows. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, so that is done. My rescue media is successfully created. So we're gonna close this, and now we're gonna go to my drive right here and show you. I have this backup right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete all this right here, because remember, we only clone the C drive. Okay, so we're gonna remove this, and you see there is nothing here. I'm gonna empty this. Okay, so there is nothing there. It's nothing here. So now we're gonna restore the same copy we just made of this computer with all the settings, with everything I have just ready. I just installed Windows in this one. So okay, to do that, you want to leave the rescue media there and go to settings and Windows 10 or 11 or 8.1, and you go here, and then you go right here. Remember, there is no mistakes. It's straightforward. You don't have to listen to my English. You can just watch it. Okay, my English is really bad. I'm sorry for that. What I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Okay, right here it says use a device, USB, whatever you have. So you click here, and because this is what I have, we click here, and off to the races we go. Okay, so remember, we're gonna restore the image we just copied. Okay, so there you go. I'll be back when it's open. Okay. Okay, so we here. Now don't touch nothing here. Doesn't matter what you see here. We're gonna go right here. We have to find that drive where the copy is. So we're gonna go right here, and it's gonna show you right here. So we're gonna go here, and this is the copy that we made. Okay, so we click in that, and we open it, and that's it. Okay, that's what you do. And then it says right here restore. Okay, so it's no mistake, it's straightforward. Okay, in here you don't have to do anything, because the computer is gonna wipe everything the assist drive is going to be wiped completely. Everything is going to be gone. So you just leave it like that, click next, and it'll show you exactly what we copy. Now it's going back. So we just click finish. And remember, this was nothing in my desktop. I delete everything. So we're going to, it tells you right here that the C drive is going to be deleted, okay? So remember that. So it's going to be format, okay? So this is it, which is going to wait. And remember, there was nothing in my desktop, okay? I delete everything, and we come back, everything is going to be back in there, okay? So I'll be back. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, it took 6 minutes, okay? But also depends on how much you have in there and your internet connection. That's, how long is it going to take. So remember now, it was nothing there, okay? So here we go. This thing is going to reboot, and I guess, I don't know, it's just going, okay? It's my mouse. Oh, trust me. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you're gonna see everything back the way it was before we start replacing it. Okay, so watch. See it right there? Look, it's all back like magic. Okay, so remember, you do this after you install Windows, okay? Because you don't want to do all the hard work. I don't know which one is it now. So you just have to do one time, okay? I don't know what it is, but one time you have to install Windows, do your settings the way you do it, install whatever programs you have to install, files, whatever, and then go and use this program, okay? It makes a lot of sense because you don't have to reinstall updates, or you don't have to do anything else, okay? No more. And when your computer gets slow, this program will just put it back like I just did, and it's gonna, because your computer is gonna get slower sooner or later. So just use this program right here, which is free. I just show you, have no malware, no nothing, and it works, okay? So please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share, like it, leave a comment. The video speaks for itself. So thank you very much, and remember, do this after you install Windows, so you don't have to do it ever again, okay? So thank you very much.